Alright, so my man went from Pyrex to the Yeezus cover to now some great Air Jordan 1s. So today, let's get into this. Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Earl the Pearl. We're at 47 Howard Street, Stadium Goods. Make sure you guys are checking us out on all social media at Stadium Goods and also on our website, stadiumgoods.com. Alright, today we have a real special unboxing for you, something you guys have been waiting for, and we're just gonna get right into it. So as you can see here, we have the box. This is the off-white Jordan 1, second rendition of the shoe. Box differentiates from previous releases, so as you can see, this one has the OG 1 box, but it's a little bit deconstructed, just like all off-white projects. The top here, you can see the window to the box. Very nice touch to it. You know, if your friends got them dirty fingers, you can let them see your kicks without them touching it. On the inside, we have this little plastic in here that reads Off-White for Nike, little branding that they put on the inside of the J's. Now let's get into the kicks. Alright guys, now as you can see, very, very clean shoe here. On the upper, of course, predominantly white leather. But of course, as we know with a lot of off-white collabs, he likes to deconstruct things and put them back together in his own way. We first seen this, the Yeezy album cover, well, me personally, and now he's working with Nike, doing Jordan. So as you can see, they took off the swoosh, stitched it on differently. See, they added a different layer of material. So there's like a suede part to this back tab. They adjusted the Nike Air on the tongue, shifted, they offset it, you know, for all my car heads out there. The inside, off-white for Nike, the Air Jordan 1 in quotations. Quotations on the 85, as you guys know. It's when the shoes came out. The originals. Blue tab this time as opposed to the red tab that was on the last kicks. As you can see with these, they come with 4 sets of laces as opposed to 3 with the last pair. So 4 extra pairs, blue, orange, black, and purple. They all say shoelaces and quotations on them. So it's a nice little touch to them. Similarities to the last off-white. Sports the Air on the midsole with the quotation marks. Also, the whole midsole is an off-white color with the outsole being an icy white color. You can see on the tab, embroidered Jordan with the wings. I mean embossed, not embroidered, I'm sorry about that. And as you can see on the toe box, it's a little like nylon mesh material. Overall, great shoe. This was only a Europe release, but of course you can find them here at Stadium Goods. Also on our website, stadiumgoods.com, go check them out. And yeah, there you have it folks. So this one is the new off-white ones. This would be the older release. As you can see, the difference is this one came in an original color. This is a newer color. This one comes with the red Ziploc tab. This one's blue. And then of course on the older pair, we had the inside out boxes with the newspaper-like paper. On this box, we have the window with the clear branded paper. All right guys, so here you have the old, here you have the new. We're here at 47 Howard Street, Stadium Goods. I'm Earl the Pearl, and I'm out, guys. Peace.